It's 5:50 something and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. The sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss. The times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get alone. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. Not talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. It's not actually good to be alone by yourself. From what I've been hiding, it's better if you have someone you can speak to, even if it's only a thing you love. Emotions are made to be destroyed. White walls around this broken, flowers colored bluish, sofa chairs, bed and pillow is on black and white. Took away the lights and changed it to the dim one. No pink, no green and yellow, 'cause it's on dark. Black clouds are all lying in this room, cover the presence of sadness. You're like the dim lights, warm but cold. You're like the dim lights. Each time I see, I'll capture when you smiles. Those dim lights I see will never return. Water on box is on blue. Fish inside is breathing, but all alone. Windows outside shows the sun that's about to go down. Sudden rain and gray sky goes through me. Black clouds are all lying in this room, cover the presence of sadness. You're like the dim lights, warm but cold. You're like the dim lights. Each time I see, I'll capture when you smile. Those dim